Hey guys, welcome to week two web design. I love week two because this is where I go over whatever issues were happening in week one and where I start to learn certain things that should have been included or that you guys want. So, a lot of things, questions, you guys had questions on. So, I am in student mode so that you guys can see exactly as I see it. Again, that orange bar, don't worry about it. That's since I'm an instructor, it's just letting me know that, hey, student mode is on. Okay, so navigation. So navigating the course, anything that you need is going to be located over here to the left. So for instance, start here, which was pretty much just the welcome file, any announcements that we have for the class, the syllabus, course materials, and discussion boards. The most important ones when pertaining to our class probably are going to be the discussion board and course materials. So any materials involving the course, like our assignments and stuff like that, will be here. The discussion board will be here. So if let's go into course material, and let's say we go into week one. And so in week one, another question that I got questions about was how do you turn in your assignments? So week one, we have the HTML video and all our information that's there, videos, our files. And then when it comes to, so down here also, I try to include each week the code from whatever I'm teaching. And if I forget, just let me know. But so here's your assignment, week one, my favorite things page. So if you click on this, what happens is then it's going to take you to where you can upload your assignment. So tells you your points, a little bit about the assignment, and you just browse your computer and upload it from there. So that was one of the big questions that I got from this class. Another question, let me see, let me go back. Was based off a discussion board. So if you click on the discussion board, this is where you can go in. Now, something I explained to my last class, I'm not quite sure. I don't see it with this class, so cool. But in my last class, I ported a class over and it was showing additional stuff. So no worries with this one. But the Design Cafe, a lot of you guys got that. This is pretty much where we go to communicate. You ask me questions, I'll respond back, and things like that. For the most part, you guys got. It was really, really good. So that's pretty much it. I just want to make sure you knew and had a great understanding of how to put your information in. Now, week one was pretty light. I like to keep week one light usually because that's our class introductions. That's I want you guys to take the time to learn the exact background of HTML and the structure. And then I gave a light assignment, which was just a one page, build your website about your favorite things. I love the questions and the feedback that I was getting back from that. So thank you guys for that. And then there was all sorts of confusion on the meet time, and that was on my part. I'm teaching 3 classes this semester, and I had a few classes that were Tuesday and Thursday. So I thought this was Tuesday and Thursday, but it's not. So I take full ownership on that. So our meets are Monday nights at 6 p.m. Let's see what else. Okay, so now we're in week two, and what we're going to talk about this week is pretty much just the site architecture and go in more detail. So we're going to be talking about images, background images, links, HTML styles, formatting, quotations, comments, colors, and things like that. This week you're going to produce a 3-day Labor Day site. Since we're talking about links, you're going to see how easy that is. And again, so we meet Sunday, and if you guys want to meet any additional time, just let me know. We'll hop on a Zoom and we'll meet up. The other thing that I wanted to go over with you, because I said I would remember, and I just forgot. Oh my goodness. Was I was getting questions about textbook, but this is our textbook. The goal is to keep this as price free as possible. There are some great books, and I can give you guys those resources as well. But for the purposes of this class, I found this resource. It's amazing. These are the people who write the rules for HTML. So the pretty much one of the best sites to use. It is w3schools.com. This is the site that I'm using, that I always have up as I'm instructing you guys, and the order that I follow is here. So definitely take definitely please use this resource. It is amazing. And the more you play with it, the more you learn. So, and the more you discover. But that's what I wanted to go over with you for this week, to make sure that you guys are set. And the class moves from here, so it's rocking on. This week is probably another one of our most mild weeks, but then it moves from there. So I'm getting a lot of feedback. Glad you guys are enjoying it. And I appreciate your feedback. Please keep and continue to give that to me. Also, in the discussion boards, the only thing I was noticing was, actually, I haven't checked it today, and it looks like that might have been resolved. But when you reply, so you do your discussion boards, they're due by Wednesday, and then your replies are due by Sunday, but you need to reply to 2 people. A lot of you, almost everyone, I think, has applied to at least one person. So make sure you're replying to 2 people, their post. And I think that's it. All right. So I'm looking forward to another fun week with you guys. I really love the fact that you are a social class and you're communicating. I've had classes before where they were super quiet, so I totally appreciate that. And I will see you guys. Oh, and I also always post the new week's post every Sunday at 11:59. They're already set up to automatically post. So tonight the new post will come out. So the same time that your work is due is the same time that a new week will be available. All right, I think I went over everything. Look forward to seeing and talking to you guys Monday, and see you soon.